You know, being out here, it's just a park and everything, but it makes me feel like I'm back in the normal element, like my Native American ancestors that used to live here. This is definitely one of the places they used to be. They even made this area a zoo at one point, and now it still holds a lot of some of the animals that were here, but it's kind of more of a natural habitat. I thank Abba for moments like this and being in nature and peace and serenity. You know, just a small piece of something that we used to have that we can't really get anymore in all these cities and metropolises and concrete jungles of the world nowadays. Out here walking my baby Foxy, reflecting, just thinking on Abba. And I want to say Yakoke, Yakoke to the Most High for his shalem, his perfect peace. And I wish all of us can find a place like this where we can chill and reflect and just meditate and think on the Most High and reflect on our lives. Once again, like this is it's just beautiful to me anyways. I love being here. I thank the Most High for something being preserved of its natural nature. I want to say shalom to my people and more shalom so that you may live more abundantly. Selah.